So class 7, today we are going to revise the chapter 3 important questions. So what this chapter 3 important questions is about? What this chapter is about? This chapter is about the 3 important questions which the king want to get the answers. Actually, the king was in dilemma. He was suffering from the problem that he is not getting to know what is the right time to start a thing, to do a thing, which are the most important people and which are the most important things to which he should pay attention to. So what he did, what the king did, क्या किया उसने फिर? He has asked his council of ministers also to get the answers of all these questions. So what was the answer to the first question? To the first question, he got the reply that he must prepare a timetable. That first of all, what he should do? He must prepare a timetable, and what he should do, he then should follow it. Okay. But that was also not a satisfactory answer for him. Okay. So, similarly, how he can come to know what is the right time or what is the exact time to do a thing. He said it is impossible. Some said that it is impossible to decide that what is the right time or what is the proper time for doing something. Okay, the king should notice all the things that are going on around with him, and secondly, then he needed his council of ministers also to ask them that what is important and what is not important. So then others said that what is the right time to do the thing? How the king could come to know that what is the right time to do a thing? How he could come to know? Some said that he must have someone, a magician, or he could have a magician so that he can look into the future. Okay, so that he can look into the future, he can foresee the future. By looking at future, he could come to know that what is important for him and what is not important for him. And he should pay his attention only to those things which are important for him in future. Right? So, when he has asked to the second question, okay, then who are the most important people for him? Some said the soldiers are very important for him as they are protecting his territory. Some said the scientists as they are inventing new and new things. Some said the doctors are very important because they are taking care of him. So there are different opinions for him. And what was the third question? That which are the, you can say, which thing he should pay most attention to? Some said that he must pay attention to the army, to fighting, because by fighting only he can extend his territories, he can extend his kingdom. Some also said that he should pay attention towards religious practices, religious wordings. Okay, why? Because after, you can say, giving importance to these religious worship or religious, you can say, ritual, you can say services, these will be helpful for him in his afterlife. Okay, these were helpful for him in his afterlife. Okay, so then, but ultimately the king was not satisfied with all these answers, as there were different opinions about all these questions. He wanted to get a permanent answer, and for that, what happened? Then someone told him that there's a hermit living near in the jungle. He should go to that hermit, but he was also warned that hermit would meet only the people who are coming in common clothes. The hermit is not meeting to the person who was going with, you can say which much show off. You should not go along with your horses, soldiers. So he started his journey into the jungle, but when he came near the hut of the hermit, he told his soldiers to stop there. He alone went to the hermit. When he has gone into the jungle, what he has seen that the hermit was digging the bed soil. Why he was digging the soil? He was preparing soil beds in order to sow some seeds. The king went up to the hermit and said that he has come to get the answers of his 3 important questions. He wanted to get the answer of his 3 important questions. The hermit, he listened to the king, but he did not answer. Again, king thought that that there is too much of work to be done with the hermit. I should help the hermit. So now what happened? The king helped the hermit. Okay. He told him to help in digging the soil. So then what happened when he was digging, it was evening. He thought that now much time has been passed out. Now hermit will definitely answer my questions. He again asked the hermit that I have come to ask you three important things, that what is the right time to do a thing, which is the most important thing for me, and who are the most important people for me. Again, the hermit did not answer. The king felt very bad. So soon what happened, as the sun was about to set, there came a man running from the opposite side. His stomach was bleeding and he was badly injured. The king immediately ran towards the man. He helped him. He tied up his wound. He bandaged. You can say he carried the wounded man into his hut. Okay. He provided some bandage on his wounds also. Okay. The king tried to take care of the man. Soon the next morning, the man was well and he was out of danger of life. So the man who came running towards the king, told him that he was actually his enemy. Why he has saved his life? King said, because you were badly injured, it was my duty to save you. But the man said, actually, I have come to kill you. The king was surprised that you have come to kill me, but why? He said, some time ago, you have killed my brother and you have seized his property. So this is the reason, since that day I thought that I will definitely avenge you. Okay. And since then I was running after you in order to get it done. So, but yes, you saved my life. Now I am always your servant. I am always be your, you can say, server. I will always do whatever you will told me. So the king felt bad that he has done wrong with his brother. So he has told the man that he will send his doctors to him also. Moreover, what he will do? He will return his property also. So this way, the man who was once his enemy, he has turned out to be a friend of the king. So what he has came out to be a friend of the king. Ab wo friend ban gaya na king ka. So then again in the morning, the king went to the hermit. He told that I have come here to you in order to get the answers of three important questions. The hermit said, I know that you have come to get the answers of three important questions, but now you have got the answers. All the three answers are already with you. The king was surprised. The answers are already with me. But how? He said, when the injured man came running to you, that was the most important person for you. You have helped that man. So it means that the person with whom you are at present is the most important person. Then at that time, as he was badly injured, what you did? You helped him. So to help that injured man was the most important thing to do. Okay. So it means that the thing or the present thing what you are doing is the most important thing. And lastly, what you did? You cleared his wounds. It means that at that time, that man was very important for you. Okay. So that was the right time to do a thing. So it means that present time is the best, and the person with whom you are is the most, and to do good with that person is the most important thing to do at a time. So the king got the answers of his three important questions and he went back to his palace, again thanking the hermit. Okay. So I hope that this chapter is revised. Let me ask you some questions now. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? Why was the king advised to go to magicians? Yes, Kanish? Yes, to see what is the, to see the future. Yes, Suhana, you can also give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The king went to the magicians to know because they can predict the future, and the king wanted to know
So
who
that
is the
so magician can foretell him the future, and he can foresee that which things are important for him and which people are important for him, and to him he will pay the most important attention. Okay, so next one, in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Whose advice is important for the king according to second answer? Yes. Yes, Suhana, give the answer. Don't mute yourself, please, again and again.
many advices were given to the second question. Some people said that counselors are important, and others said that doctors are needed, and some replied as priests.
As priests. Okay, priests are important for him. So to the second answer, various opinions came. Some said that counselors are important for him, as counselors can suggest him, you can do this thing now, this is important for you, and you can do that thing. Okay, then some said no, priests are very important as they help in religious worship. Okay, so he thought that priests are very important. Then others said that doctors are very important because they save a life's man. So you will pay more attention towards doctors. Then what suggestions were made to the third answer, third question? So what suggestions were made? Yes, Bhavya, you can give the answer. What suggestions were made to the third question?
There were also many suggestions made. Some said that science is important, others choose fighting, and yet others choose religious worship.
Yes. Bhavya, you speak very well, but your voice is always very low. I don't know why. Mic के पास होके बोला करो थोड़ा, ठीक है? So what was the answer to the third question? That some said fighting is very important. Okay. Some said that fighting is very important. Okay. So last boy, what is the answer to the third question? That fighting is very important. Okay, and some said that religious worship is very important. So there were different opinions to the answers of the third question. Okay, be attentive. Next one, did the wise man win the award? If not, why not? Did the wise man win the award? Yes, Samriddhi?
No,
did the wise
wise-
man? No. Why
No.
not?
They didn't win the reward because king was not satisfied with the answers of wise
Very
men.
good, because the king was not at all satisfied with any of the answers that were given to him. King was not at all satisfied with those answers. Okay, so no person win the award. Next, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? How he helped? Yes.
First, the king removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with handkerchief. But
Just
the
listen
blood
to
was
her.
not getting stopped. The king redressed the man. The man felt better, and they both carried him into the hermit's hut.
Very good. So they bandaged the wounds, provide some ointment, taken care of him, and had shifted him to his hut. And when the bleeding stopped, he felt better. So, who was the bearded man? Was the bearded man?
The bearded man was one of the king's enemy who wanted to kill the king because king killed his brother and seized all his property.
And confiscated or seized his property. Very good.
He
Suhana.
swore revenge to kill the king.
Yes, he swore revenge to kill the king. This is also right. So why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness?
He asked for the king's forgiveness because king saved his life by dressing his wound. If king had not helped him, then the man would die.
Speak again.
He asked for king's forgiveness because king saved his life by
Yes.
dressing his wound. If king had not had him, then the man would have died.
Yes, because he has asked for king's forgiveness because the king has saved his life. If the king had not saved his life, he would have suffered death, and so he was thankful to king for saving his life. This is the reason why he asked for king's forgiveness. Next, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Yes, Kanav will speak. Yes, Kanav. Rishita can also
Yes,
give the
ma'am.
answer. Good afternoon.
The king showed his forgiveness by sending his soldiers, his servants and doctors to look after him, and he also promised the man to give him back his brother's property. In
Very
this
good.
way, they
Very good, Kanav.
showed his
Very good.
forgiveness.
Very good. Clap for Kanav. Very good. Okay. So this way you will answer. Okay. So he has sent his soldiers. He has his doctors also to take care of his wounds as well as the bearded man. He has also returned his seized property. And in this manner, the king helped the bearded man. Next, what were the hermit's answers to the three questions? What did the hermit answer to the three questions? Yes, Rishita, you can answer.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. The king wanted to know his three answers to the questions. The first answer he gave that the most important time is present because it is the only moment we have power to act.
Very
So
good.
we should do our work at present.
Very good. Very good. That present time is the right time because it is the only time when we have power. Next one to the second one.
Yes, ma'am. The second answer he gave that the most important person is the person you are with at a particular moment
Very
because
good.
the future is unknown and we don't know whether we will meet anyone in the future or not.
Okay, very good. Because present moment is very important and moreover, with the person with whom you are in present is most important because it is the only time when a person can do something. Next one, third one.
Yes, ma'am. The third answer hermit gave that the most important work is to helping and doing good with others because we were sent into this world for this purpose only.
To do good with the person with whom you are. Okay, because to do good with others is the sole purpose of our existence on this earth. Okay, so it means that present time is the best one. Second, with whom you are is the right person. And third one, to
At
do
a particular time.
good with that person is the best thing to do. So that's all for this chapter. Now, even I'm sure that you people remember this. Okay. Next, with this chapter, there is a small poem, The Squirrel. Okay, let us do it also. So, The Squirrel is a very short poem written by the poet. Okay, so first of all, remember the name of the poet. It is Mildred Browns Armstrong. What is the name of the poet? Mildred Browns Armstrong. What is the name of the poet? What is the name of the poet? Mildred Browns Armstrong. Okay, so now what is written in this poem? The poet is explaining about a very simple creature. Who is the simple creature? The squirrel.
The squirrel.
The squirrel who is very naughty in nature. He is, you can say, he is jumping, going up and down the, you can say going up and down the trees, teasing the poet. Okay, teasing the poet, right? So what this poem is about, it is about squirrel. So let us see. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of gray. So what the squirrel is wearing, he wore a question mark. It means that the tail of the squirrel, it is curved one at the end in the form of a question mark. How it is? It is in the form of a question mark at the end and overcoat of gray. And what color is that of the skin of the, or the you can say outer covering of the squirrel? It is of light gray color. Okay, and he sat up straight to eat a nut. The squirrel is often sitting straight on a tree because whenever the tree is going up straight, the squirrel is not falling from the tree, but how it is standing straight onto the, it is standing straight onto the bark of the tree by clinging its, you can say, claws onto the bark of the tree. And what it is doing, it usually eats nuts while standing onto the branch of the tree. He liked to tease and play. What he liked, what the squirrel liked to do? To whom it is
Tease the
teasing
poet.
and play? The poet. He is
The poet.
trying
The
to
poet.
tease the poet as well as the and play with the poet, because the poet is trying to catch hold of this squirrel, but the squirrel is running very fast and the poet is incapable of get hold of this squirrel. Okay, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So this I have told that the poet is trying to catch hold of this squirrel, but what the squirrel is doing? Squirrel is running from one side to another. Okay,
Another.
it is teasing the poet. Now Kanishk will tell me what this poem is about. Yes, Kanishk. The poem is about this squirrel. He is trying to go up and down, and in order to tease the poet. It means that that the squirrel is very active animal. It is running on the branches of the trees, and no one is able to catch hold of that squirrel. No one is able to catch that squirrel. You know now how active the squirrel is. It is running fastly, moving from one branch to another branch. Okay. So let us see the question answers also. Why does the poet say the squirrel won a question mark for tail? What it means?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I
Ma'am,
tell?
because
Yes, speak.
Ma'am, the poet says because the bushy tail of a squirrel sitting on the ground is curled black on its body in a curved shape that looks very similar to the punctuation mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. I would describe it as a furry and a bushy cloth worn on its back that seems you to ask a question. What?
Okay, right, because it is formulated, it is curved at the end actually. Okay, what it is, that it is curved at the end, and it is because of this reason that it seems to wear a question mark. Okay, next is, do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? Then why it is said here?
ma'am, can I
Don't
answer?
say. Yes, beta.
No, we do not say that an animal wears a tail. The poet uses this to indicate the internal characteristics of a squirrel. It is a dictionary word. We usually say that the animal has a tail.
Very good. That it is a dictionary word in which the poet wants to say that this animal has a tail. Okay, so this is again very much clear to you, this answer. So the next one is, he liked to tease and play. Who is teasing and who and how? Kanishk will tell me.
Can I tell?
The squirrel is teasing the poet. And how it is teasing the poet?
Because when the poet tries to catch the squirrel, it runs here and there.
It runs and there, and it means that the poet is not capable to catch that squirrel. Okay, is not able to catch that squirrel. So this is the reason. Okay, so I hope that it is clear now. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow we
Yes,
will start the chapter,
Yes,
The
ma'am.
Gift of Chappals. We will discuss ants, the poem Rebel. These two we will do here. Okay, tomorrow we will do with the, you can say with the chapter, the Gift of Chappals. Okay, so that's all for today, right? And again, I speak that if you have not submitted your work, if you have not submitted your notebooks, you will submit it to me today positively, your subject enrichment activities. because now we are going to finalize the list. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, have a nice day. Okay, so now if you have any doubts, you can ask me.